I thought I'd do a video on a few stocks that have been, doing good lately. This one's Nate's Food, NHMD, and the one that this recently just went up, went crazy. But a while back in September, this thing had some huge factors here, and actually came off a no bid here. But this would have created some attention for you, and it keeps on going, and then it's on a slow, steady uptrend, and finally just blows up here, goes up to 24. I mean, you can look at the chart. Actually did go up to 23 here, and then dropped back a little bit, and went back up. But you could have got in this anywhere in this area right here in the trip 7, 8. So there's that one. And then we have ELTP, Elite Pharmaceuticals, that just blew up on Friday. And the tip-off here was this drag ratio, okay? Drag ratio is a trend indicator whether it wants to go up or down, okay? And anything positive is good. This one actually, had one 2.97. It was hanging in there. It went for like, what is this, 7 days in a row here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days with a positive drag ratio. And also, it kind of bounced here off of 10, reached 14, up 39%, with an 11 factor, traded $500,000. So this one, that's your indicator here, your drag ratio being positive for so long. And it is a slow uptrend here also. And right now the drag ratio is 8.3. And last is XRTX. This one blew up on Friday, and the tip-offs here were your 200-day low here, 25. Okay, that's an alert. And so that's your tip-off there, plus your 26 factor. Of course, you did gap open to 57, but had a low of 46, so you could have played it going by this. But you had earlier factors here, 13 and 6. So there you go. There's 3 stocks that I thought I'd call some attention to and tell you how DDAmanda could have, found these for you. Okay, that's it, guys. Have a good rest of the weekend. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made $10,000. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. and some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.